We're the best!
Hello, Mr. Penguin. Welcome back to my realm.
I was just about to take a bite of my pancake.
Well, you'll have to wait, because today I need your assistance, Mr. Penguin.
All right.
Are you ready to help me with today's magic tricks?
Yeah, man.
All right. Without further ado, let's conjure our first trick.
Ah!
What have we here?
What is that?
2 small cards. What color are these cards, Mr. Penguin?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, let's see if we can get some help from home.
All right.
Children,
Children,
what color is this card?
what color is this card?
That's right, red.
Yeah!
Unicorn point.
Good job.
And what color is this card? Blue.
Oh,
Additional unicorn point.
good job. What is that?
What would you call these little fellows?
Is it a penguin?
It's not a penguin.
Is it puffin?
It's not a puffin.
I'm out of ideas.
It's a rabbit.
Oh, rabbit. They
That's
like to
right.
eat carrots.
Rabbits do enjoy carrots, so I've heard.
I like them too.
Mr. Penguin,
Yeah.
can you tell me which of these colors is shorter?
What's shorter?
Shorter would be like smaller. So one of these cards is bigger,
Yeah.
and one is smaller.
Oh.
What colored card is the smaller of the two?
Can you help me get at home? Figure this out, please.
What do you
I'm so
think?
confused.
The red one.
Oh.
That's right. The red card is smaller. The blue card is slightly bigger.
How is that magic, though?
Well, just wait and see, Mr. Penguin. Because with my powers of magical spectacular stretch, boop,
What?
the red card is bigger.
Oh, wow, you really are magical.
Thank you. Shall we move on to the next trick?
Tell me how you did it.
How I did the trick?
Yeah.
It's a trade secret.
Oh, yeah, man. Ride 'em, cowboy.
This is a fun trick.
What?
Do you see what I have here, Mr. Penguin?
Looks like you have some rope.
There's a rope, that's right, one single piece of white rope.
One single piece of white rope.
And this
Yeah.
is a rope cutter,
Oh, dangerous.
specifically designed for cutting ropes in half.
Wow, that's so specific.
It's a very specific tool of the trade.
Yeah.
So here we go. We're going to feed this rope. We're going to feed it right into the rope cutter.
Wow, you're so graceful. This
Here
is
it
really
goes.
cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we have our single piece of rope floating freely, uncut as of now. But when I use my magical spectacular powers and cut the rope in half,
What?
it's now 2 pieces.
Oh, why? The rope didn't deserve that. Put it back together.
But I couldn't put the rope back together without some magic!
Oh, there it goes.
And it's 1 piece of rope again.
You are so magical and
Isn't that
spectacular.
wonderful? Yes.
Let me try it. Let me touch it.
You look at
Yeah, that's,
Quick, quick.
that's one full piece of rope.
That's right. Well, thank you, Mr. Penguin, for coming and helping me teach the children the wonders of magic.
I had no choice, but I'm happy to be here.
Well, I've got a little surprise for you. Let's, for my final trick, I'm going to make this penguin fly.
Ah, penguins can't fly. Wow. Put me down. Put me down. Put me down. Put me down.
Thank you, children, for coming and playing with us today. Back to you, Bert Badger.
Wow, man, that was real cool.
We're in a bounce house. Everybody bounce, bounce. Feels like you weigh an ounce, ounce when you're in a bounce house. We're in a bounce house. Everybody bounce, bounce. Feels like you weigh an ounce, ounce when you're in a bounce house. Birthday party bounce house. Can't wait to go. I wore my best socks, so no holes in the toes. I try out cool moves when I bounce with my friends. I love this day so much and I hope it never ends. Throw some colored balls and they pop like popcorn. I jump so high that my friend goes airborne. I go down the slide and I fly so fast This bounce I saved the day because I'm having a blast. Bounce, let's 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 bounce. We're in a bounce house. Everybody bounce, bounce. Feels like you weigh an ounce, ounce when you're in a bounce house. We're in a bounce house. Everybody bounce, bounce. Feels like you weigh an ounce, ounce when you're in a bounce house. Bounce so high that I touch the very top. It feels like a froggy in the pond going hip hop. It's time for presents and it's time for cake. That's okay with me because I needed a break. I'm so full of